here today at the Immaculate Heart of Mary Novitiate, which is home to the Missionary Oblates of Mary Immaculate, and now it's also home to 2 Illinois state champion trees. These trees were identified and nominated during the season of creation, which made it a special process for us. I'm Sister Maxine Pullman, and I represent the Oblate Ecological Initiative, which is also home here at the Novitiate. Next to me is the Basswood tree. It is a state champion standing at 75 feet tall with a 13-foot circumference and a 65-foot crown spread. The other state champion is a black locust, and it stands at 77 feet tall with an 11-foot circumference and a 46-foot wide crown spread. The nomination process involved our taking measurements and sending them to the University of Illinois Extension, which sponsors this program. Next, they send a verifier here to check on our measurements, and they verified that they were correct, and so these trees were certified. The certification means that the oblates will receive certificates, and also these trees will be listed on the Big Tree Register. And that's important. That recognition is important, but more important is the impact these trees have on the ecosystem. Let's think about that for a minute. Imagine how many squirrels, chipmunks, mice, and songbirds fed on the seeds from this tree. Think about how many white-tailed deer forage on the stems and buds. In the spring, this tree gets beautiful clusters of white flowers. Consider how many hundreds and hundreds of bees have gotten nectar from these flowers over the years. And of course, millions upon millions of leaves have fallen through its lifetime, nourishing the soil and providing habitat for insects. Of course, these trees sequester carbon, which helps to regulate the climate. And imagine how much rain these trees have absorbed, recharging the groundwater and preventing runoff. We can only feel gratitude to the oblates for allowing these trees to grow to become champion-sized. They protected the land and the trees in their favor. Not all trees will become this big because there are so many threats to trees now. For example, pesticide drift and deforestation due to agriculture and development, and of course, climate change. These threats are stressors and sometimes lead to the death of trees. So it's important that we minimize these threats so that trees can grow and become tall and serve the ecosystem for many years. It is true that what we do now will affect trees in the future. Our behaviors now make a difference. And finally, we look to these trees as mentors, inspiring us to live long and gracious lives in service to others.